No, you're not gonna go meet your mom there. You're okay. I thought she was a follower of me. I'm like, oh man.
No.
All right,
She
her
was a
opinion.
different show.
Right in through there. There you go.
Oh shit! Sorry.
Oh my God.
I carried all the way.
Oh my God. I look amazing.
Yeah,
Oh.
take a breath well. Felt like a really good one.
Oh my God. Oh.
Good. See? And you're still here.
Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Good.
Oh, I'm feeling perfect.
Yeah, you did
Oh
good.
man. Oh yeah.
Especially for how stiff and sore you were.
I think it's open. Oh.
Everything just opened up.
Oh my God.
Yep.
We recommend the guy. Sure. 100%.
Great.
What's
Yep.
right?
So,
You
swing your
right?
legs out, come on.
I'm supposed to be crying, not you.